Welcome to computer coding class. Today our program is how to find the path or location of a file in our operating system using Python. Here I am using Windows 8.1 operating system and Anaconda for running our program. Let's start our program. Here I am using Notepad for writing program. First of all, I am writing import OS to import operating system package flag equal to 0, and then I am creating a function that will scan the whole system and print available drives of our hard disk. Here flag is showing whether file is present or not. Next, for loop for x in range 65, 91. Here 65 is showing the ASCII code of capital A and 91 is showing the ASCII code of capital Z, because all our drive ranges from 65 to 91 A to Z. Here I am using another function chr that convert that ASCII code into character. If that drive is present in our operating system, we just append that drive character into our blank list that's name is drive. After scanning the whole system from character A to Z, we will print all available drives. Now we will return this function. Next, we will run this program. So write the running of this program d equal to my drive parentheses. Here we get all the drive name C, D, E, F, G available drives of our system. Now I will create another function for finding the path of particular file in our operating system. That's name is mypath. Here we are passing two arguments. First one is drives, means available all drives, and second one is the input file name. Here global flag. Global is used to change our global variable that is declared above the top position. Now we will scan one by one all drive using a special function that name is os.walk that scan drive and return all the directory files os.walk parentheses drive name. Now I will scan all files of a particular drive and then compare our input file with every file of a particular drive. If that a file is present, then we will print the absolute path of that file name by using function abs path, then os.path.join, and in bracket we will write root comma name for getting absolute path of our particular file. Now we will set flag equal to 1 because file is present in our system. Now I will return the flag status, and that complete our second function. Now we will just write our main function. We have already write the calling of our function my drive. Now I will input the file whose path we are searching. Now we will run our second function, that is mypath. We call mypath function. Here also there are two arguments. First one is drive name and second one is file name. And if flag equal to 0 means there is no file present in our system, then it will print file is not found. Now we are checking whether our program is correctly written or not. Now we will run our program. Here you can see all the drives of our system. Then we will write the file name takefinder.py. You can see that same file is present in different locations, so it will print the location of all system. If your system takes more time, then please be patient. It will take time to execute your result, because this program will scan all hard disks including all drive directories and subdirectories. Even it will scan whole operating system files. Mostly it takes 2 minutes to execute. If you have very fast computer, then it will take less time. If you have same file in duplicate places, then it will print path of all files. If you want to reduce time and you know drive name, then in place of all drive, just write the name of that drive. It will reduce waiting time and display result in 2-3 seconds. Just example, here I am writing drive name, that is E. Here I am scanning only one drive, that is E, not all drives. And running the program, you can see it takes 1 or 2 seconds to execute our program. Here I am searching youtube8.py function, and you see. Thank you.